think this copper ring doesn't matter which end, does it? No,
yeah, yes,
it does.
Yeah,
This
the
the
tight,
thick side
the thick side in,
like this.
Yep. Turn it around in a circle until you find a smooth way to get in there. Push it a little. Rock it from side to side.
Yeah, like this, right?
More like.
Oh, wiggling.
Yeah. You know.
Wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle.
Get it to jiggle, jiggle. It's really tight.
That's what she said. Alright, there we go.
And then put this on. Right? This ring?
Uh-huh. Put that one and push.
Well,
Be careful, they're
this
sharp.
is going more, right?
It can, but it's okay. It's in far enough.
Okay.
Right.
This
You're gonna have to move that to the side a little bit to get it to go in there. There you go. And be careful, it's really sharp.
Yeah.
Alright, now grab your
This one?
ball cock, angle stop, right? And get it on there easily though, right? Very gentle, right? And the copper is gonna go inside there. Right, so we're gonna line it up. And we're gonna, so we just push that seat in there.
Okay.
And then hold that right there.
Okay.
Firm, right? And then slowly start to slide that on, pushing firmly. Yeah. Right, so we're gonna try to push it in a little more. There you go. Now push it in a little more if you can. There we go. Keep pushing it in. Hey, there's a theme there, huh?
Yeah.
Push it.
Push it.
Push it, babe.
But then now there's like a loose part here.
Well,
That's why I gotta keep
pushing
going.
it. Yeah, push it again.
And then,
It's long.
yeah. But now I need
There's a
your
lot of
tool.
space there.
Now I need your tool to,
Okay. I like it when you say you need my tool.
yeah. Okay.
You need two tools.
Two of them?
Yeah. Every girl's dream. Alright, ready?
I'm pushing.
Okay, you push, right? And you hold. We're gonna use this one right here, and you're gonna go underneath, right? And you see where you see make it a little smaller, the teeth. Open it. Open it big.
Okay.
Use both hands. Yeah.
Oh, and then make it smaller.
Going. Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Actually move it.
Slide it. Hey, that's
Okay.
too small.
Too small.
Oh, easy, slow.
There we go.
Slow it down, Chica.
That one's better?
Yeah, it's better. Oh, watch my fingers, don't squeeze. Up, there you go. And then easy, so be careful because we don't want to scratch the, yeah, right? All right. And I'm going to tighten.
And I just hold it?
Yeah, you hold it real tight, don't let it move, all right? So don't let it move.
Okay. I don't want to scratch
Bring
it.
this hand down here.
Okay.
There you
And
go.
then hold it tight.
Yeah, hold it tight, don't let it move. Yeah, good. All right, I'm gonna hold it and you pull this one.
Pull this one?
Yeah, pull that one
Pull
towards
it
you.
towards me?
Yep, go.
Got it?
Uh-huh. Come on, Hercules. One more time. Good. All right, that's good. That's good. All right, we're golden.
You sure? It doesn't look like it because there's so much space.
Trust me. Trust me, Padawan.
But yours looks so much.
So the lengths of the pipe were different. We're not cutting the pipes because it's okay to have a little bit of space right there. This pipe's actually a little too short.
That pipe's too short. This pipe's too long, so there's like space here. But we did it.
Yeah.
We made sure to minimize the amount of scratching. Cool. Noise. Now, this is how you install a bathroom sink.
Next, on this young house.
Yes, next. This young house.